I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your account on Xoom, follow these straightforward steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Xoom app. Download and install the Xoom app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app to begin the verification process. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. Before changing your settings, use the Xoom link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to verification. Once logged in, go to the settings or account section. Look for the option labeled Verify Your Account to start the verification process. Step 4. Provide required information. You will need to enter personal information such as your full name, address, and date of birth. Make sure the information matches your ID exactly to avoid issues. Quick gotcha: if your address is slightly different from what is on your ID, it might cause a delay in verification. Step 5. Upload identification. Finally, upload a clear photo of your identification document such as a driver's license or passport. Follow any on-screen instructions to ensure the upload is successful. Once you complete these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your account is verified. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Xoom support. Good luck and happy sending!